All right, so if you're thinking of getting the Pebble V3 creative speakers, I'm just showing you one, the other one's the other side of my desk here, but this is the main one. Then yeah, this is my review, this is my honest opinion of them. And I've just taken away my laptop to do something to it to install different softwares on it, but this is where I have them. I have one this side and the other side of my desk. And so yeah, what I like about these is several things. The first thing is that the quality, the bass and the sound quality is amazing. For the size of the speaker that this is, it really fills the room, and I never really find myself needing the volume to be set more than about here. Two out of 10, maybe three. And that really just shows you how high quality the speakers are. I've had these for several months and I don't need to change them. They're very, great value. One thing to be aware of is that these are USB-C speakers, so they do need a bit of power. I had to find a workaround because I plug my laptop into these. So I have my laptop plugged into a monitor and different things. And so with these, they actually need a separate USB-C power supply, which can't really come from a USB-C hub like this. It has to come directly from either a power source, like a plugged-in adapter, or you plug them directly into one of the USB-C ports on your laptop. So that's just something to be aware of. Obviously they're speakers, they do take a little bit of power. They have a Bluetooth mode as well, which I really like, but I never use it. I just use the USB-C feature. And then also something to be aware of is that obviously because there's two of them, they're connected via a cord. So you'll have one cord connecting the two speakers and then another cord going into your laptop. So it's a few cables, you need to have some nice cable management. But yeah, they're really good. If you're just looking for a reliable, great value speaker to, for your small office or room or even lounge, like these are perfect for that. So I highly recommend.